Hello everyone, so today we are going to be making this galaxy background with watercolors. So let's get started. So we'll be needing some watercolors and a size 12 brush or any big round brush. And I'm using a sketchbook. You can use any paper above 110 GSM. So I'm starting out by spreading the water all over my paper using my paintbrush. And when you see a thin gloss of water on your paper, you're good to go and you can stop spreading the water. Also keep in mind what paper you're using because not every paper can hold a lot of water. So I'm gonna spot my color on the paper to see if it is spreading or not, and if your color is not spreading like mine, that means you do not have enough water on your paper. And in this case I'm using crimson. You can also use pink. So I'm going to randomly make some spots all around the paper and make sure you don't fill it too much. Now I'll be taking some cobalt blue and again placing it randomly. Make sure you don't place the colors too close to each other. And then I'll be taking some violet, and after placing all my three colors, I'm going to take a clean wet brush and I'll start to blend them out. Also, when you're blending them, make sure you don't swirl around with your brush. Just gently tap and swirl only when needed, because we want to blend it, but at the same time we don't want to make it brown and it should definitely not look muddy. Here I'm going to take some colors and I'm going to touch up some areas where I want the colors to be more darker. So I think there's not enough violet, so I'm going to go ahead and add some violet and again continue to blend it in with the background. After our background has dried, and I also have to mention that I did retouch it off camera, I thought it needed to be more purplish, so I added more purple. And now I'm just writing a quote on my background. I'm using the Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen in hard tip, and I'm going to write the quote, "Stars can't shine without darkness." And then we will be adding our final touches and highlights. So now I'm going to take the same brush pen and make some embellishments around my quote. In simple language, you can just call them dots. And after you're done making those, you have to take a white pen or a whitener and start making dots and twinkling stars around your quote. So the white is the main thing which pulls our entire piece together. And to make twinkling stars, you just need to make a dot and two lines on top of it. So the more of these white highlights you add, the better your piece will look. And to be honest, if you don't add these, I don't think it would look like a galaxy. So we are done with our galaxy blended background, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.